Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A5 Sportback S-Line 35 TFSI with the S-Tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which has really give this vehicle that standout road appearance. Now as I look towards some of the key features, and with this being the S-Line trim level, this means the vehicle benefits from the additional S-Line styling such as the front bumper and rear diffuser design, as well as the added chrome accents such as the badging front and rear. Moving towards the front now, we find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the wheels now, we find these exceptional 19-inch 5-spoke aluminium wheels, which really complement that lovely deep grey metallic paint. To the side of the A5 now, there is that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as continuing the lovely black and grey contrast. Moving into the boot space of the A5 Sportback, where we find up to 480 litres of storage space. It is a large amount for a vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a half-leather interior with the additional Dynamica in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making the A5 Sportback perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as Napa leather, Dynamica and aluminium. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean you get the 2-tone leather seats with the Audi Sports S-Line logo, as well as the lovely white stitching to complement. Above, there is the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. As well as this, you can access telephone connectivity, as well as important driving data. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which does feature the satellite navigation and allows usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side. Above we find the reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making the A5 Sportback much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A5, which is now available at Stafford Audi.